Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Design and analysis of Stair by Excel. Hello everybody, I am PS Strategy with you. Today I am going to explain you how we can prepare a single axis pro forma for the design of different type of stair. Hope you are going to enjoy this video. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Minimum requirement IS 456 2000 and Excel software 2010 onward. Types of stair. This is type 1. For first flight, our support is here and half landing support. Then for second, half landing support, and this is our support. For type 2, ground floor to first floor. For first flight, here is one support, second support here. For second flight, we have half landing support and then on floor level. For type 3, it is first floor to second floor. That is for first flight, support is on floor level, first floor level, and then half landing. Once again for second flight, half landing to second floor level. Type 4, three-fold stair. Here for ground floor to first floor it is type 4. First support is here, second support is here. For second flight, the support is this landing and this landing. And for third flight, we have a support here and at floor level. Type 5, first floor to second floor. First support is here, second support is here. For second flight, these two landing are the supports. And this, for third flight, this is our support and this is our support. Calculation of slope length. Slope length S is equal to square root of Li square plus A square in meter. Consider 1 meter width of the slab. Calculation of working UDL in kilonewton per meter. Small W1 is equal to dead load plus floor finish load plus live load. W2 is equal to dead load plus floor finish load plus test load plus live load. L effective is equal to L1 plus LH plus L2 minus 0.5 B1 plus B2. B1 and B2 are the width of the beam. Total load on each portion. W1 is equal to capital W1 is equal to small w1 into L1. Capital W2 is equal to small w into S, and capital W3 is equal to W1 into L2. Equivalent load in horizontal plane for slope portion, small WEF is equal to W2 into S by LH. Support reaction R1 is equal to capital W1 into L1 minus L1 by 2 plus W2 into L minus L1 minus LH by 2 plus W3 into L2 by 2 divided by L, and R2 is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 minus R1. Maximum shear force is equal to maximum of R1 and R2. Point of contraflexion. Point of contraflexion is that point where the shear force is minimum, that is 0, and it changes sign from plus to minus or minus to plus. Say this is R1, we know R1 minus W1 into L1 minus W effective into X minus L1. X is the distance of point of contraflexion from support 1 or R1 is equal to 0. So, or X is equal to R1 minus W1 by W effective plus L1. Calculation of maximum bending moment. For design, we have considered the support condition as simply supported condition. We know that at the point of contraflexion, the bending moment will be maximum. So maximum bending moment M max is equal to R1 into X minus W1 into L1 into X minus L1 by 2 minus W effective into X minus L1 into L1 plus X minus L1 by 2. Now I'm switching over to the Excel spreadsheet for the numerical calculation. Welcome to my Excel spreadsheet. To start design, first we have to select here type 0. Look here, to start design, first select type 0, then clear all basic input data and put 0, then select your stair type. To delete all those data, just copy this thing, paste spatial value. Okay, all data is cleared and height 0. Now select your type, say type 1. Now this green colored cell, we have to provide the data. Live load, say 3 kilonewton. Flow finish load, say 1 kilonewton. Other loads, say 0.5 kilonewton. Slab thickness 150 millimeter. Landing length 1.5 meters. 3 1.5 meters. Floor height 1.5 1.5, trade 250 mm, 250 mm, riser 0.15, 150 mm, 150 mm, support width 250, 250, floor height 3 meters. Butt dia 10 mm, spacing 100 mm. Now look here, if we reduce here 100 mm thick and spacing we have to provide 150, 150, 150. Design are in progress. Why? In deflection, it is not okay. We have to increase 110, 125. Design is okay. Here we can also change this value, FCK 20, FY 415, etc. Partial factor of safety, cover. Once again, I want to change type 2. Paste spatial value. Now select type 2. We have to provide livelihood data 3, flow finish 1, support width 250, 250. Design are in progress. Look here once again. In bending moment and shear force, it is okay. But in deflection, it is not okay. So, can also change here M25, 500, etc. But M20 and 500 is sufficient. Now, you have to change the thickness. 150 Design is okay. 140, design are in progress. 145, not okay. 150, design is okay. And also in deflection, it is okay. Now I'm going to design type 3. So first I have to select type 0, type 3, 3 kilonewton, 1 kilonewton, 0.5 kilonewton, 125, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, floor height 1.5, 1.5, say 250, 250, 250, riser 150, 150, support weight 250, 250. Once again, flexural rigidity of the structure is okay, but deflection it is not okay. So once again we have to change this signal 150. Okay. Copy. Once again I'm going to design type 4. Before type 4 we have to go to 0. Paste spatial value. Now type 4. Before designing type 4 I have to say one thing. For second flight, effective length will be center to center of these two landing. Type 4 once again. Now live load 3, flow finish 1, slab thickness 150, landing 1.5, landing 3 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, flight 1.5, 0.6, 1.5, trade 250, 250, 250, riser 150, 150, 150, support weight 250, and it is already 250, floor height 3.6. Okay, design is okay. If we reduce here 125, design are in progress, 145, 150, design is okay. Now once again I'm going to design the type 5, threefold type 5, first floor to second floor. This is ground floor to first floor. So once again we have to move type 0, copy, paste spatial value. Now select type 5, type 5, and this is 5A plan. Look here, once again LEF is equal to center point of this landing and this landing. Now I'm changing this value. 3 kilonewton, 1 kilonewton, 250, 250, riser 150, 150, 150, support weight 250. This is also okay. You can collect any of my Excel sheet that I have demonstrated free of cost. First, write in the comment section of YouTube, please send me ... that is file number. Don't write your mail address or phone number. If you write, then YouTube will block that comment. After writing in the comment section, read the description carefully and you will get my email address and follow the instruction. After receiving the mail, don't forget to acknowledge me that you have received the mail in comment section of the YouTube, not through mail. And that's all about my staircase design by Excel. I hope you enjoyed it. Your likes, share, comments, and subscription are the inspiration and the remuneration of my little effort. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also evaluate my performance with your valuable comments. Thank you.